If you want to be number one in life, if you want to keep pace ahead of others, if you want to differentiate yourself from other species, only differentiating factor is acquiring knowledge. You have to be little more matured. You have to develop wisdom, and this knowledge acquisition will come only by reading books, not only textbooks or your professional or job related manuals, but anything to do with life, be it autobiographies or motivational books, or it could be something totally different about life. You need to read. But in the fast paced life of today, students are very busy going to school, going to college, going to university, and adults are very busy traveling and spending time in the office, and we don't have much time. And for this, what we need to do is we have to learn how to read faster, how to do speed reading, because I cannot give you one extra minute. Not me, no one can give you one extra minute in a day, but you can learn that technique, those strategies which will help you to read the same book half the time. And we are doing wonderful course on speed reading, be it you are a school going student, or you are a teenager in your 11th and 12th, or you are into your engineering or graduation or medicine, or you are preparing for any competitive exam, or you are a software engineer, businessman, or district magistrate, or you are a doctor, or you are a homemaker, or you are the head of this state. Doesn't really matter. If you want to save time, if you want to concentrate and also read faster and acquire more knowledge, and if you want to go much ahead of other people, you have to learn this technique of speed reading. We are doing 3 days beautiful workshop online, sitting right in your house. You can learn this technique from me, Squadron leader Jayasimha, the President World Memory Sports Council for India, only Indian with maximum Guinness World Records. I will personally handhold you, I will personally train you on these strategies, how you can basically overcome your bad reading habits, how can you learn those techniques, what are the strategies all high speed readers employ, how can you train your eyes. I will train you if you learn them, if you master them, if you apply them constantly, and I'm sure you are going to finish reading a newspaper. If you are taking 1 hour, you can do that in half an hour. If you take this book to read 6 hours, you can do that in 3 hours, and thereby you can read more number of books, you can have more knowledge, you can become more successful, and also you can concentrate, comprehend, understand much better. Then why the delay? Without any further hesitation, click the link below and be part of this wonderful workshop with me, Jayasimha. I look forward to seeing all of you in this workshop called Speed Reading. Thank you so much. Bye bye.